Catches that we posted in the east side. He said, I'm different, yeah, I know. I be on these hoes, bro. I'm a real throat girl, but I'ma be quiet though, cause I don't let the side show. I'm a freak, not a hoe. You know how the gang go for sure. Took it so to sit them home, cause he had a collar on. Now he's blowing up my phone, but it's hoe through the bone. He a dog now, bitch, so pipe down, little bitch. You know you don't want these problems, right? Gang wrong, bitch. Never try to